Have you ever thought about growing your own veggies and herbs in small spaces? If yes, then container gardening is for you. This ingenious method lets you cultivate a variety of plants in pots, boxes, or any other containers you have at home. It's an ideal solution for those of us who might not have a sprawling backyard, but still yearn for fresh homegrown goodies. The convenience of moving your plants and the versatility to grow different species are just a few of its perks. Now that you know what container gardening is, it's time to learn how to start one. Starting a container garden is easier than you might think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. The first step is choosing the right containers. You can use almost anything from traditional pots to upcycled items like old buckets or even boots, as long as they have good drainage. Next, you'll want to select suitable plants. For beginners, herbs like basil and rosemary or vegetables like lettuce and radishes are a great choice. Now let's talk about soil. A well-draining potting mix is ideal for container gardening. Once you've filled your containers with soil, it's time to plant. Make sure to place your plants at the same depth they were in their original pots. Finally, water your plants thoroughly. Remember, container plants often need more frequent watering than their ground-grown counterparts. With these steps, you're now ready to start your own container garden. Now that you know how to start a container garden, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Imagine the joy of nurturing your own little green haven, the satisfaction of picking fresh herbs and veggies right from your balcony. It's more than just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. So, go ahead, plant those seeds of change and share your experiences, your triumphs, and even your challenges in the comments below. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!